Did you touch the rain, Lillian? Okay, watch. She won't even take it because it's wet. He doesn't mind the rain, does he? Look at him, he looks like a statue. What's up, everybody? If you're a MonkeyLillianLouise fan, a Gracie and Ava fan, be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video and I will tell you how to order your very own awesome coloring books, composition notebooks, and alphabet coloring book of your very own. Good morning, everyone. It is raining today. So I wanted to bring Lillian out. She likes to look at the rain. You want to go touch the rain? Huh? She is intrigued with rain. She likes it. She likes to touch it. Lillian hasn't even had her breakfast yet. Lillian, is it raining? Look, come up here and touch the rain. Get up there and touch the rain. Look at Mom. See? Got my hand in the rain. Look. You want to touch the rain? Look. You get up here and touch the rain? You want to go climb your tree? Oh, she's barking at something. Oh, look, there's some squirrels gathering nuts over there. He doesn't mind the rain, does he? I'm starving. I know Lillian is too. We went to bed. She didn't want anything to eat before bed, so I didn't eat either. And we're both hungry. So we're going to head in there and eat here in a few minutes. There she goes. Did you touch the rain? Did you touch the rain, baby? Was it wet? Did you get wet? Huh? Yeah, look at you. Guys. That squirrel standing up over there. I think he sees us. Oh gosh, it's hard to hold the camera still when you zoom in. Look at him, he looks like a statue. Did you touch the rain, Lillian? Yeah? Let's see one of their toys. I'm going to hand that to her. And I bet she'll throw it. Let's see if she'll throw this. Oh, she's on my back. Get down. Good girl. As soon as I bent over, she jumped on my back. Okay, watch. She won't even take it because it's wet. Here, you want to hold it? She touched. Here, I'm going to put it right there. Can you throw it? I knew she was going to throw it. Good girl. Did you say, I don't want that wet ball on my chair? Say, I don't want that wet ball on my chair. Oh, did you get a rice, whatever those are, rice cake, whatever? Yesterday I let the little girls come out and play on the porch, and that is one of the rice cakes that they did not eat. Lillian found it. Is it good, all wet? You're hungry. I'm hungry too. We're going to have to go in and eat. We need to go inside and eat, don't we? I just wanted to let her come see the rain because she loves the rain. What do you think? What do you think about that rain, Lillian? Well, this was a surprise. I had no idea it was going to rain this morning. I'm glad it's not lightning and thundering. For the past 3 mornings, Lillian has escaped from bed. I woke up this morning and I felt ice cold hands on my feet, and I raised up real quick to look, and it was Lillian. She had gotten into a bottle of water and it was cold. So that's how I woke up this morning. And yesterday, let's see, yesterday she got into a spool of dental floss. And I'm going to tell you, there was strings of dental floss. It was just one long string, and it was all over the bed. She got into that yesterday. I haven't been putting her pajamas on her, just the diaper cover with a leash hook to it, because I've just been so tired. But tonight, I don't care how tired I am. I am going to put her pajamas on and put that leash, hook it to her pajamas. Because this is the 3rd morning this little rascal got out of bed and woke me up doing something silly. But the good thing is she didn't venture around the house. Well, I can't say that. She very well might have. I don't know, because I was asleep, but I didn't see anything messed up in the house, so she didn't get into anything. Just what was in the room. So, that's what happens when you have a monkey. You have to watch them pretty good. Whee! That was a big jump. Well, everybody, we hope y'all are having a wonderful day today. I'm glad we're getting some rain. Well, Lillian has 2 little sisters. They're both cinnamon capuchins, and they have a channel. So if you haven't checked out Monkey Gracie's channel, swing over there, and y'all can meet Lillian's 2 little sisters. Did you hear that bird? Did you hear that bird, Lillian? Did your head get wet? So everybody, we hope y'all are having a super awesome day, and we will catch y'all next time. And tell everybody bye. Say bye. Catch y'all next time. Everybody, you do not want to miss out on this opportunity to own your very own Monkey Lillian Louise, Gracie, Anna, and Ava Bree coloring books, composition notebooks, and alphabet coloring book, and more. I do all the artwork myself and want to share these adorable monkeys with you all. I have new books coming out constantly and am in the process now of having their actual pictures on new composition notebooks. And to switch things up a bit, I will also be putting out favorite recipe notebooks very soon. So swing over to Amazon, click on the book section, type in Monkey Lillian Louise, and it will take you to all the coloring books and composition notebooks. I will also put a link below this video in the description box, so just click on that link and it will take you straight to Amazon, where you can order your favorite books today.